Imagine a place where every step could be your last, where danger lurks around every corner. Think of desolate landscapes fraught with peril, or bustling urban areas with unseen threats. Picture remote islands, inhospitable deserts, and icy mountain peaks, each with their own unique set of hazards. These are not figments of the imagination but real locations on our planet, places that challenge, thrill, and even terrify. Welcome to the countdown of the top 10 most dangerous places on Earth. Number 10, Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, where the air is thin and the temperatures are freezing. This colossal giant is not just about an exhilarating climb, it's a dance with danger at every step. The thin air can lead to altitude sickness, and unpredictable avalanches are a constant threat. Add to that the extreme weather conditions and you have a perilous cocktail of risks. Yet the allure of conquering the summit often overshadows these dangers. Surviving Everest is a feat that few can claim. At number 9, we have the Skeleton Coast, a desolate and unforgiving landscape. Imagine a place where extreme temperatures swing from searing heat to bitter cold. Water is a scarce luxury and the wildlife, well, it's as dangerous as the terrain. Lions, hyenas, and venomous snakes add to the peril of this vast barren landscape. This treacherous terrain is not for the faint-hearted. The Skeleton Coast has claimed many lives, leaving behind only bones. Number 8, Snake Island, home to one of the deadliest snakes in the world. Nestled off the coast of Brazil, this island is a slithering sea of venomous serpents. The golden lancehead viper, with a venom so potent it can melt human flesh, rules here. This snake's bite is so lethal that survival is near impossible, making a visit more of a daring deed than a vacation. So if you're planning a trip, beware. Snake Island is a place where only the bravest dare to tread. At number 7, we have Death Valley, a place as ominous as its name suggests. Here the sun reigns supreme, scorching the barren landscape with extreme heat that often exceeds 120 degrees Fahrenheit. This vast and dry desert, stretching over 3 million acres, offers little to no respite from the relentless heat. The arid conditions and lack of water make it a formidable adversary for any living creature. Death Valley is a place where survival is a daily struggle. Number 6 on our list is the Danakil Desert, a place of extreme heat and toxic gases. This Ethiopian inferno regularly sees temperatures scaling beyond 120 degrees Fahrenheit. But it's not just the heat that's a threat. The air is often heavy with poisonous gases escaping from the numerous volcanic activities that mark this desert. This hostile environment makes the Danakil Desert one of the world's most dangerous terrains. The Danakil Desert is a place where life is a constant battle. Coming in at number 5 is Lake Natron, a lake that turns animals into stone. This might sound like a myth, but it's a reality at this Tanzanian lake. The water's high alkalinity, similar to ammonia, and temperatures that can reach up to 60 degrees Celsius, have the uncanny ability to calcify any animal that dares to dip into its deadly waters. It's a place that defies the very essence of life, making it one of the most dangerous places on Earth. Lake Natron is a place where life comes to a standstill. At number 4, we have North Sentinel Island, home to one of the most isolated tribes in the world. This remote island, tucked away in the Bay of Bengal, houses the Sentinelese tribe, known for their fierce resistance to outsiders. They've lived in complete isolation for thousands of years, and their hostility towards intruders makes this island a dangerous destination. Any attempts to make contact have been met with aggression. So be warned, North Sentinel Island is a place where outsiders are not welcome. Number 3 on our list is Fukushima, a place where the invisible threat of radiation looms. In 2011, a devastating earthquake and tsunami led to a nuclear disaster, leaving Fukushima bathed in radiation. This unseen danger makes it one of the most hazardous places on Earth. The area is still grappling with the aftermath as the cleanup continues more than a decade later. The lingering effects of the catastrophe serve as a reminder of the power of nature. Fukushima is a place where the aftermath of disaster still lingers. At number 2, we have Chernobyl, a place where time stands still. This Ukrainian ghost town is a chilling reminder of the world's worst nuclear disaster. The radioactive fallout from the 1986 event has created an invisible yet profoundly dangerous environment. Here, radiation levels are so high, they can lethally affect humans within hours. The eerie silence of the abandoned city echoes with tales of a past that continues to threaten the present. Chernobyl is a place where the past haunts the present. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bermuda Triangle, the most mysterious and dangerous place on Earth. Known also as the Devil's Triangle, It's infamous for the inexplicable disappearances of ships and aircraft. Stories of vanishing vessels and planes, swallowed by an invisible force, have sparked numerous theories. From magnetic anomalies to extraterrestrial activity, the Bermuda Triangle continues to baffle scientists and thrill seekers alike. The Bermuda Triangle is a place where the unexplained becomes reality. From towering peaks to scorching deserts, from hostile islands to mysterious waters, we've traversed the globe to bring you the top 10 most dangerous places on Earth. We've scaled the deadly heights of Mount Everest, felt the chill of Skeleton Coast's shipwrecks, braved the venomous vipers of Snake Island, and ventured into the radioactive zones of Fukushima and Chernobyl. And who could forget the enigma of the Bermuda Triangle? Remember, danger can lurk in any corner of our world. Stay safe, stay curious, and until next time, keep exploring.